I give a couple talks about career. So I used or for the last few years, it was called Achieving Happiness, Building Your Brand in Your Career. And the reason I start with achieving happiness is because the first part of the talk is the most important. And it's about figuring out what brings you happiness and joy in life, right? Like job, yes, we'll get there, but like what it is about life. We were just talking about fresh air and being out and be able to enjoy the country and rural settings and things like that. And some people might want to mountain climb or race cars or travel the world or whatever it might be. But to be in touch and know what that is the most important step. And then go next to your job and say, well, you know, ignoring what my title is or what my company has to offer, like, what is it that I enjoy doing? Do I like to be hands on keyboard? Do I like to present? Do I like to influence? Do I want to manage people? Like, what is it that I want to do? And then once you have those two sets of information, then you can say, all right, what conflicts, right? So if I want to, maybe eventually be a CTO one day, well, maybe I can't work 20 hours a week and travel and mountain climb and things like that. But also, because the life happiness is so important that you don't want the job happiness or what you think would be job happiness to get in the way, because you're going to have to make compromises or sacrifices. And I highly recommend compromise over sacrifice, because that's where burnout happens and people, get unhappy. So as long as somebody understands what they want to do in their life and then understands what they want to do during their working hours, then they can start to determine what the career path is.